Chubbuck Mason. Yes, it's us. We're back. So we made new merch. If you have 2 Robux, you can buy it. If you have 2 Robux, you can buy it. If you have 4 Robux, you can buy it. Yes, it's Let me leave to show you how it looks. Just put away. So if you guys like this video, subscribe. If you like it, if you can't subscribe, that's okay, because yeah, we don't really care. Okay, so you go here, okay? Then you go to store, and then, yeah, you guys know. And then deal with it, Chubbuck Mason. Work hole, t-shirt, Chubbuck Mason. So these are pretty nice ones. You can get them, if you want to stay classic, you can get this one, because classic is original. It is the best thing ever. Okay, so let's get back to Burping Sim. So you guys seem to like our Burping Sim videos. So we're continuing playing Burping Sim. So if you guys are big, like, okay, if you guys want us to do something else, like play a different game, we will, like another simulator game, just on the comments.
Comment.
Yeah, comment. So Mason, how much reverse do you have again?
3.
Yeah, Mason has 3 reverse now. Were you grinding all night?
Not all night. I got it in the day, remember?
Oh, yeah. Oh, there you are. If you guys like Mason's character, give this video a like. He has the zombie walk. He's looking good. He has the merch. Yes. Yep. What just happened, bro? Was that you jumping? What the? So, yeah. So this video, it's not gonna be too long like our other Burping Sim videos. So, you want to end it right now?
No.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Sam.
Yeah.
You have to grind this game to get to. Oh my god. Blur that out. I'm kidding.
What
Stop
was it?
That. Disgusting.
What was it?
She was
Oh my.
doing this, Sam. She was doing this.
Oh God. Is that what I think it is?
She's doing it again.
Oh my
Bro,
God.
stop.
Is she in the safe zone?
Yep.
Of course she's in the safe zone.
Well, I'm gonna do it until she gets. Yeah. She saw it.
Oh.
Now she's just like, I don't want to come back.
Yeah, I'm getting away from here.
Yeah, Sam, let's go.
Should we go on
Sam, you need to come eat. Go inside of here. I'll try to eat with you.
Well, try your best.
Bro, Sam, behind you.
Okay. Hey, these chairs don't work. I can't sit in them.
Bro, do you see what she's putting in there?
Well, what the heck? It's hurting my eyes. I'm gonna die. Yeah, that is one. Bruh, shut up.
I don't know how they think that's funny. What they do on the mattress. But why is it not letting... Has it ever done a glitch to you where it doesn't let you send?
Yeah, it does that to me. I have to like click it 4 times and then sends.
That's what they do.
For a second, I thought that was what they send it, and if that was, oh my god, bro, I will somehow kill myself because, oh my god. This server was pretty sussy though.
Oh, wait.
Wait, can I fit in your foot, Mason?
Mm-mm.
Dang it, I'm too chunky.
Only if that thing allowed me to have my fat avatar. Wait, Sam, I know what to use.
It's so dumb that it doesn't do that. Like, why does it? It makes you look skinny.
Yeah, like, offensive.
That is just me. Times Mason and Sam were Karens.
Did you just say we were once carrots?
No, when we were Karens. Because we were like, Daddy Sam. Yeah, we were being...
Okay, Sam, try to fit in it.
Bro, where are you? Oh. Mason, you didn't have to do that, bro. You know what, Mason? It doesn't matter. Do you want to keep this avatar on?
I don't know.
If you don't, then just, I don't really care. I don't need to be in your foot.
Ugh.
Brr. Was that you? Was that you?
Okay, guys, so, yeah. After this video, we're gonna report them.
Yes, we are. Yeah.
Way too inappropriate.
No offense, but it's always the nudes begging. Bro, it's always you begging Oxalot, whatever your name is. Bro, that's
What?
that's a abandoned meme, right, Mason?
What is?
The Oxalot.
Axolotl? Yeah. Wait, is someone in the game named Axolotl?
Agent, yeah.
Oh, Axolotl H.
Should we end the video here, Mason?
Yeah.
Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next video, and go subscribe, and then, yeah. So, we'll...
Just end it.
Okay, yeah. Bye, guys. See ya.